Alright, Scott dudes. It's Tuesday. Today we're going to work on triangles, okay? But one thing I really want to go back and focus on, and I guess we kind of lost focus because some of you guys are not doing it, is updating our table of contents. This is the standard from my table of contents. I have my date, I have my topic, my lesson when I'm working on, and my page number. Today I'm working on 15-2, which is going to be triangles. And my notebook is going to be on page 92. Okay? Now once I have my table of contents updated, if you need to pause, when I check notebooks next time, I'm going to be checking table of contents from 15-1 and on. So if you're missing stuff, we're not going to worry about going back. But from 15-1 and on, you need to have it updated, or some will still take points off. So today's lesson is going to be 15-2. That's going to be on triangles. And our essential question is going to be, how do you classify, how can you classify triangles? Okay, I'm going to leave a couple spaces because I'm going to come back and answer this question. And then today, for our example, is we're going to create a chart. And my chart's going to need 3 columns. Hopefully that focuses in. And in my first column, I'm going to have type of triangle. Then I'm going to have definition. And then I'm going to have example. No, I kind of don't like it like that. Oh, whatever, we're going to go like that. Now my first triangle is going to be an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. My definition, all sides are equal. Hence, all sides are the same length, are equal. Hence, equilateral triangle. So, all sides are the same length. Okay, an example. Let me all sides are equal. My next type of triangles is going to be an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, and for that, 2 sides are the same length. 2 sides are the same length. And then an example would be, an example almost looks like a pendant or a banner like you would see at a baseball game. Okay. My next triangle is going to be a Scalene triangle. Did I say that right, girls? Scalene triangle. And then that, no sides are the same length. So those are our three types of triangles, and that can be classified by length. Okay? Now there's three types of triangles that can be classified by angles. So the first one is called the right triangle. And the right triangle has one angle that is a right angle. And the way we represent a right angle is when it has a little box right here. And what a right angle means is that it's a 90-degree angle. And one of the ways we could check that is with a compass. So I have my compass on my right angle. If I was going to continue the line of my triangle, I would see that that would be 90 degrees, or that would be a right angle. So where it comes in here and then goes up. Whereas if I looked at one of my triangles, one of my other examples, and I looked at this, if I followed the line through, it would end up in the, let's see, 40-degree range, okay? So my next type of triangle is an acute triangle. And that means all three angles are acute angles. And then I'm going to put the definition, and I'm going to have to slide this up. I'm going to put the definition for acute angle right here. And an acute angle simply means that the angle measures less than 90 degrees. I'm going to try to put that on the top line so I have room. 90 degrees. An example would be if I had can you guys see in there? I basically did an angle, and then I did this little line right here tells me how my angle, and then that tells the number represents a degree, so it would be a 54 degrees. Okay? And our final type of triangle is called an obtuse triangle. And the definition of an obtuse triangle is one angle is an obtuse angle. And what obtuse angle means is simply that, man, I'm all the way down at the bottom. Guys, and if you have to go on to the next page, that's fine. An obtuse angle means that the angle is greater than 90 degrees. I have a staple there, it's messing me up. 130 degrees. Okay? Now, the way I remember acute from obtuse is I think acute as small. So smaller than 90 degrees. Acute, small. Obtuse is big. So it's bigger than 90 degrees. Okay? And then you just look at the angles in your triangle. And remember, we have the protractor right here. So when I mean less than 90 degrees, what I mean is my angle is here. My angle is from the 0 to the 90. And if I look, right here, look. My angle on the obtuse goes to 120 if I follow it out. Where my angle on the acute would go to 40 degrees. Okay? So once you guys finish this and you get your notes taken down, what I would like you guys to do is I'd like you to go back in teams and look at the problem of the day and find a partner to work with and then complete that task. And then also on Microsoft Teams, and I don't want to give it out because I want you guys to actually find it for yourself, it's today's assignment. And then that way you guys know what to do. Hey, as always, subscribe, like, or comment. All right, have a great day.